everybody, it's Miss Amber. I'm a Youth Services Librarian at the Grundy Library, and welcome to our Grundy Library Code Club. Today for Code Club, we're going to be doing an activity on code.org. So you can go to that website and then scroll down, and we are going to be doing another hour of code activity today. So you can click on that. And you can see that there's some other activities that we've already covered in our code clubs. So you can scroll down, and we're going to explore some more activities from partners. Okay, great. So you can check out this list. There is a lot of really great coding exercises on here. They're really fun. We've done some of these, like the Star Wars one and coding with Anna and Elsa. So today we're going to scroll all the way down our list, and we're looking for an activity called Street Artist. This is going to be by Kano, and we've used them before for our Harry Potter hour of code. Okay, here it is. So this is Kano Street Artist. It looks like this, and you can click on that. This is perfect for grades 2 to 5, and it's using blocks and JavaScript, and you can see here that it is a beginner level. Okay, great. So now you should be on a page that looks like this. And as you can see, there's lots of different activities in Street Artist that we can go through. Some of them are locked, so we have to start with the first one, which is called Blue Dots. So go ahead and click on that. Okay, awesome. So now you should be on a page that looks like this. And Kano is so great because it really walks you through what you need to do to get coding. So this is really perfect for the beginner coders out there. So I'm just going to point out that you're going to be reading the directions that appear in this white box over here. And then throughout the exercise, you're going to be looking for the blinking yellow dot. And that's going to show you where you need to click so you don't get lost in this exercise. So it's saying, let's get started with coding loops. In this challenge, you'll make a bubble machine to draw thousands of bubbles. So you can click next. And then you're going to go over here, again looking for that blinking yellow dot, and we're going to click on the draw tray. We're going to take this first line of code, drag it over, and if you're not sure where to put it, you're going to look for that blinking yellow dot. Make sure you snap it in. You should hear it connect. Okay, perfect. Now it's telling us we need to click on the color swatch to change the color, and it wants us to change it to a dark blue, so let's try that. Alright, so this kind of looks like the color they're saying. I'm going to try that one. And if you look over here, you can see that that changed our background. Okay, so now we need to set the color of our pen. You'll see this color when you draw a shape. Open the draw tray. So you can see these are the two trays that we have right now, control and draw. And it's telling us that we should pick this line of code. And I'm going to snap it in over here, making sure it connects. And it's telling me that I need to change the color from black to blue. So I'm going to click on this. And it looks like it's a lighter blue color, so I'm going to pick this color. Okay, good. So open the control tray. The code for making loops is kept in here. All right, so we need this. And showing me right where I need to connect it. So I'm making sure that it snaps in and connects the right way, because if not, it's not going to work properly. Okay, perfect. So I've just created my first loop. Any code that we connect inside the loop will run every second. Loops like this are used to make animations and games. So let's put some code in the loop. Open the draw tray. So I'm going over here, clicking on draw, clicking on this code and connecting it, snapping it in. All right, perfect. We need draw again. We're going to take this bottom line of code and snap it in over here. Perfect. So now it's telling us that we need to set the number to 20. So right now it's 5. And if you look over here, you can see that you have your bubbles started, but they're really small. Okay, so we're going to change this to 20 and see what happens. Okay, so the bubbles should be getting bigger over here, so that looks right. All right. Now we're going to have to change seconds to frames in our drop-down list. So that's over here in your blue line of code. We're going to click on that. And there's seconds, milliseconds, or frames. So we're going to set that to frames right now. Okay, and it looks like we did it. So you can see over here that the blue dots are expanding and there's lots and lots of bubbles, and we've completed our first exercise in Street Artist. Okay, so you guys can continue on to doing the next exercise, which is drawing dots. I hope you guys have a lot of fun with Street Artists, and Miss Laura and I will see you at our next Grundy Library Code Club. Have a great week. Bye!